This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. Welcome to another special edition of This Is Your Time. This is your season. This is your moment. Let's go ahead and get right into the motivational video today. The word I want to tell you today is push yourself. No matter what you're facing, no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're dealing with, push yourself. Step outside of the comfort zone. I'm pumped up today, y'all. I'm excited. Go to the next level. Accomplish your dreams. Maybe you've been telling yourself you want to win the NBA championship. You want to win the Super Bowl. You want to win the World Series. You want to win the World Cup. You want to win the Olympic gold medal. You want to win the Masters. You want to win the NCAA championship. You want to go to the Final Four of the Elite Eight. You want to win the national title. You want to start your own business. You want to be an entrepreneur. You want to be the CEO of that company. You want that promotion on your job. You want to be a published author. You want to be a doctor or a lawyer or a teacher, movie producer, singer. You want to be a stock trader. You want to be an investor. You want to be a real estate owner, real estate agent, real estate investor. You have dreams. I don't know what you want to do. I don't know what you want to be. I'm just giving you ideas. I'm just here to empower you. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to give you understanding. And I'm here to enlighten you and empower you and motivate you to go after your dreams. Motivate you to accomplish your dreams. Tell you don't give up. Don't throw in the towel. You can do it. Come on, whatever your affirmations are. Remember, I always tell you, don't just speak affirmations. Be the affirmation. Become the affirmation. I am in London. I am in Bermuda. I am in Canada. I am in Australia. I am in the NBA. I am in the NFL. I am in corporate. I am in Major League Baseball. I am internationally. I am virtually. I'm there. Why? Because I'm pushing myself. I do these motivational videos every day for the whole world. Because the world, I want to tell the whole world, I love you, I believe in you, and you all are my why. Now let me talk to those people that's going through some problems. Maybe you got problems. Maybe you never knew your father. You grew up in a single mother home. You never knew your father. You have a mental illness. You're dealing with depression. You have cancer. You're suicidal. You're dealing with depression. You're going through a divorce. You've been through a divorce. You got your heart broken. You want to get married. You want to find true love. You want to find the person that's right for you. You want to start your own business. You want to go to the next level. You're grieving over losing a loved one. You're going through the most difficult time of your life. If that's you, keep pushing yourself. In the midst of your pain, push yourself. In the midst of the suicide, don't commit suicide, but push yourself. You may have a mental illness. Push yourself. You may be sick in your body with cancer. Push yourself. You may be grieving. You may be going through whatever you're going through. Push yourself. You can do it. You can achieve it. You can be it. And you can accomplish it. Put currency. Watch this. It's time for me to teach you now. Let me calm down. Put currency on thoughts that are positive and uplifting. Woo! I'm going to say that again. It's time for you to take notes down. Put currency on thoughts that are positive and uplifting. Think positive. Don't put your currency on negativity. Don't put your currency on procrastination. Don't put your currency on fear. Don't put your currency on jealousy. But put currency on thoughts that are positive and uplifting. And put currency on thoughts that will help you become great and successful. If you get out of the conflict, then the conflict will die. This is where so many people get it twisted. You get in so many arguments that are useless and meaningless. But if you get out of the conflict, then the conflict will die. Hurt people hurt other people. Remember this. Hurt people hurt people. If you keep hurting people, it's because you have not healed. And in this motivational video, this is a special edition right here. In this motivational video, if you're hurt, If you're hurting people, or if you've been hurt, or if you are hurt, I want you to be healed. I want you to be healed from your hurt. I want you to be healed from your depression. I want you to be healed from whatever it is that you're going through. I want you to focus on being healed, because there are so many billionaires that are dying. There's so many billionaires that are committing suicide. There's so many millionaires and billionaires that are getting divorces. I want you to live the triple double life. I want you to have the successful marriage, the successful business, the successful relationship with your children. I want you to have it all. I want you to have the triple double life. I want you to focus on being healed. This is what I want you to do. If you are hurt, and if you are hurting people, I want you to get the help that you need, and I want you to focus on getting healed from your hurt. Because Wayne Dyer said the greatest prison people live in is the fear of what other people think. You have to get to a place in your life to where you will not care what other people think about you. There are so many people that given up on their dreams because they care about what other people think about them. You got to be your authentic self. You got to be authenticity. You got to be authentic. You got to be authentic and be yourself. Don't try and be like nobody else. You can be the greatest version of yourself. I'm closing. You have to get to a place where you don't care about what other people think about you. You can start your business. You can be a professional athlete. You can be a published author. You can be a motivational speaker. You can be a singer, doctor, or lawyer, teacher. I don't know, whatever you want to be. I'm telling you, push yourself. Because if you believe in yourself and stay positive, watch this, I'm going to say it again. If you believe in yourself and stay positive, you can make your dreams become a reality. I want to tell you this. This is how you make your dreams become a reality. Stop worrying about what people think about you. Stop walking in fear. I want you to focus on getting healed. If you're hurt in any way, if your family hurt you, if your spouse hurt you, if your children or your friends hurt you, or if a job hurt you, or if anyone has hurt you, I want you to be healed. I want this to be the motivational video that brings you your healing, because it does you no good. You can't be great. You can't be successful. You can't accomplish your dreams if you are still hurt. I want you to be whole as a person. There's so many athletes, they become millionaires, but they get in trouble and they lose it all because they lack character and they forgot to heal themselves. They did not heal. So now they became great, they became successful, and they have no integrity or character and they lose it all. So I want you to push yourself. I want you to focus on you. Be yourself. Focus on you. Accomplish your dreams. Listen, I went from flunking the first grade, being bullied in school, having a learning disability, to barely graduating high school. And I got in college and flunked out of college. And I got back in on academic probation. In 2009, I became homeless, living on the streets and begging for food. This is my life. This is my real story. I've experienced rejection, pain, and then I was shot multiple times. And watch this. And I was pronounced dead at the hospital. And now years later, I'm standing in front of this camera and I'm telling the whole world that I love you. I believe in you. You can do it. I'm a motivational speaker and I'm a published author of 3 motivational books. And my 4th one will be out next year. Why? Because I pushed myself. No matter how deep the pain, you can't quit. Life is going to hit you. Let me tell you this and I'm done. While you're going after your dreams, it's not going to be easy. While you're going after your dreams, you're going to have problems. You're going to have issues. You're going to go through some things. But push yourself. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please spread the word all over social media about me as a motivational speaker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell. I want to tell the whole world I love you. I believe in you. This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment.